Advanced Work Packaging. Enabled by the AWP University, a CII registered education provider. Advanced Work Packaging is a project framework to divide project scope into manageable portions of work for planning and execution, in order to achieve improved productivity and increased predictability. AWP incorporates agile and lean construction methodologies, empowered through automation technology to optimize capital project delivery across the entire asset lifecycle. But how does it work? And how can we use it to improve our project performance? AWP allows us to focus on optimizing the entire project, rather than prioritizing individual departmental tasks, resulting in improvements to both schedule and cost performance. By ensuring that people have the equipment, materials, and instructions to complete their work, we'll reduce idle time and increase labor productivity. AWP establishes team alignment early in the project lifecycle. During early front-end planning, representatives from engineering, procurement, construction, and commissioning collaborate to determine the optimal project execution strategy. By involving construction and commissioning early in the project planning process and improving integration across disciplines, the project plan is further optimized for constructability and integrated with all major stakeholders. The process begins with the plot plan for the project. The plot plan is strategically divided into major project areas, called construction work areas, or CWAs. Construction work areas are geographical divisions of work, defined and sequenced early in the project lifecycle, and are used to establish the initial path of construction. The path of construction determines our deliverable sequencing and execution plan, and is further structured and refined through the work package breakdown. The CWAs are further broken down into construction work packages, discipline-specific scopes of work, aligned directly with activity items in the project master schedule. A CWA will be broken into at least one CWP for each discipline working in that area. A single CWA could contain different CWPs for pipe, steel, electrical, and other disciplines. Each construction work package requires one or multiple engineering work packages. EWPs are groupings of engineering data and deliverables required to satisfy the successful execution of the CWPs and are used to drive the path of engineering. EWP contents include 3D model data, drawings, specifications, vendor data, and other engineering components required for the CWP. Procurement work packages, called PWPs, are groupings of data aligned with the engineering deliverables. Each EWP has a required set of material and equipment, which needs to be requisitioned, purchased, and shipped to site. The PWPs are used to drive schedule for materials requisition, and are used to track the status of all the materials required for the execution of the CWPs, and in turn, the IWPs. The engineering work packages, tied to the procurement work packages, establish the foundation for execution and constraint removal for materials and engineering deliverables. For the construction work packages, construction builds on this foundation and further assembles the construction planning information for the CWP, such as scaffold estimates, quality requirements, site safety considerations, and schedule and budget information. Once the construction work areas have been broken into construction work packages, the construction work packages are then further divided into even smaller portions of work, called installation work packages, or IWPs. IWPs contain all of the information required for a crew to execute the work in a safe, efficient, and effective manner. IWPs are sized appropriately and delivered constraint-free to field crews. They're to be executed start to finish by a single crew for a set duration of time, without delay. IWP contents include work instructions, a detailed scope description, technical drawings and 3D images, material requirements, and safety requirements. The IWPs are created and managed by the Workface Planner. Workface planners use their hands-on construction expertise to develop high-quality, constraint-free IWPs, and provide construction planning knowledge for the development and maintenance of the path of construction. The work phase planners identify and resolve constraints for the IWPs, and ensure that crews can execute the work as planned, without fail. Work completion is tracked and recorded based on rates and rules of credit that are documented in the IWPs. The foremen record the status and progress of the completed activities in their weekly work plans. Often, using automation software, and through the package-based work breakdown structure of AWP, IWP completions progress is rolled up into overall CWP progress and drives schedule progress reporting. This enables us to know our progress at any stage of the project and understand exactly what needs to be completed. The benefits of advanced work packaging have been well documented and proven through expert interviews and case studies. Projects using AWP have seen increased productivity and increased project predictability, reduced cost and schedule duration, and improved safety performance. Education is crucial to ensure successful AWP projects. Visit the AWP University to learn more about advanced work packaging.